An individual borrowed 69,000 at an APR of 7%, which will be paid off with monthly payments of $504 for 23 months. First goal here is to identify the amount borrowed, the interest rate, the number of payments per year, and the loan term, and then the payment amount. So the first part really is a very simple task, right? So this is how much the individual borrowed, okay, 69,000. Now the APR is the interest rate. The number of payments, because we are looking at, will be paid monthly with monthly payments. So that means that in a year, there will be 12 payments, all right? And then the term of the loan is 23 years, okay? So that simplifies the first part, pretty simple. Now the second part of this problem, it says how many total payments does the loan require, right? So when you're looking at the total payments that the loan require, we are looking at how many months are in 23 years, right? So for the B part, what we need to do is that the first part, we are doing 12 times 23, and that will give us what? 276. Is that okay? Now, for this part of the problem, it says that, so we know that there are 276 payments towards the loan and the total amount paid. So to find the total amount that will be paid, we need to multiply the number of months by the monthly payments, which is what? 504. And this is going to give us 139,104. So that answers the B part of the problem. Sounds good, because you're making monthly payments of 504. And you know that there are 276 months in a year. So if you want to know how much total, okay, how much you're going to pay in total, you just need to multiply the number of months in 23 years by the monthly payments. Okay, nice. C, of the total payment, or of the total amount paid. So we know that this is the total amount that has been paid. What percentage is paid towards the principal? So first, we want to know how much is paid towards the principal. So how much that is paid towards the principal as a percentage, we need to do the principal that was borrowed. How much was borrowed? 69,000. All right, divided by the total amount of money that was paid. And this should give you 0.496. Okay, so it's approximate. So which is what? 49.6%. Is that okay? So that is how much was paid towards the principal. Now, if we want to know the percentage paid towards the interest, okay, so if you know that this is how much was paid in total, and we know how much is paid towards the principal, there are two ways to do this. So let me put this. First, option one is that you can do 100% minus 49.6%. And that should just give you 50.4%. Is that okay? Because the total, this total is equivalent to 100. So if 49.6% is paid towards is the principal, the rest is towards the interest. Okay. Now, alternative number two is that you could have decided, which is a little longer, but you could have decided to do, okay, so this is how much was paid in total. If I take away the principal, how much I borrowed, okay, that should give me the interest that I paid. So 139,104 minus 69,000 will give me an interest of 70,104. Now all these are in dollars. Okay. Now, if I want to find the percentage, I just needed to do 70,104 divided by the total, right, which is 139,104, and that would give me the 50.4% as the interest. Is that okay? So 50.4% of the payment, right? That's a little over half of the payments went towards interest. So really, that's a lot of money, right? So that's basically how you look at this particular question. Okay, let me know if you have any further questions on this. Thank you.